Hey y'all, this is the package I received from Vagabond Mango, VAGABONDMANGO at gmail.com. You can order these bangles from her. I'm going to unbox this, and there's going to be two. I purchased two from her. And hang on, I'm going to unbox it. She has done a good job protecting these. She had put them in a box, and then she put them in a bag, and then she's wrapped them, and then she had a little extra paper to protect them too. So we're going to open these. Okay, I just cut them open. I haven't seen them either. You're going to be seeing them with me. Here's the first one. I'm so excited to see these. Well, I'll be back. She's taped them a little bit more than I thought. Okay, here's the first one going to be revealed. Oh, how cute is that? It's the end piece. Little heart on it. This little bead right here is you put your essential oils on this one. Okay, this elastic that you put over your rear view, or you could put it on something else. Hang it in your house. And this is the one that says, home is where you park it. This is the one I like. I don't have a van. I've had a van in the past, but that's why I chose this one. It's so cute. I love it. And I want to buy some more from her, some different ones. Maybe something about the home or something. It's so cute. I love it. And I love the colors. See if I can get a better picture of the colors. Put it on this white paper. See the colors? I love these colors. So pretty. Okay, let's look at the next one I ordered from her. Let's put it on this paper so we can get a good look at it. I got this little sun one. I love this little purple one. I like purple. And this is what you put your essential oils on. This one. And this one's a different color right here. She's used this one. You see, it's different than this one. See the difference in the colors? I like both of them, though. It doesn't matter to me. I love both of them. And this is the Route 66. Well, I don't know if it counts, but I lived in Virginia 30 years, and I travel Interstate 66 every day to work. Anyway, here's the top of it. The colors, aren't they gorgeous? Goes really good with the sun. I can't wait to hang them up. Now I've got to figure out what I want to do, because I don't want to put them in my hot car or something. I want to put them in here, since I got to figure out. And then I guess I'll show y'all where I end up hanging them. Anyway, I love them, Kathy. Vagabond Mango. I love them. They're so pretty. Y'all get y'all's. She's, you know, busy filling orders, and they're $12 and $4.50 shipping. I think it's a good price for all her hard work. Thank y'all for viewing my video. Bye. I'll put a link to how you can get yours. Have a good day.